Right, this is the RT4. I'm just going to quickly explain the basic functions of this boat. So when you get it out of the box, this is what it'll look like, and this is the battery cover, so that comes off, and you put your batteries inside this central compartment. Connect the two batteries up, one to one and the other to the other. You can put your third battery in there if you want. So you've got a main battery supply and you've got a backup battery supply there. So once those are all connected and in there, put the lid back on, like so. This is the power button, so we turn the boat on and off with that, and this is your handset, and we turn that on with that switch. We get a little warning message saying place all the switches in their up position and lower the throttle. Now these are the switches here, so if one of those switches was not in the up position and you tried to pull down on the throttle, it wouldn't turn on. So we've got to make sure they're all in the forward position, and then we can turn the boat on and activate the handset. So this, the right hand stick is your motors. We've got forwards, left, right and reverse all on that stick. This stick here is for your hoppers and your magnetic hook releases and your main lights. So if I just hold it to the right, we get the hopper door release, and hold it to the left, we get the other hopper door release. If I hold it down, we get a rear hook release, and if I hold it up, we get the other rear hook release. If I flick up quickly on this switch, we get the main headlights, and if I flick up again, that turns them off. This switch here, it's a little dial. If we turn that dial around, we can see that we have like the side lights and the rear lights that come on. Those can be dimmed, and we can also use the main headlights whilst they're on as well by flicking up on the stick. This switch here is to swap between your main battery and your backup battery. So if I just turn the boat round, you'll be able to see when that switch is pressed or flick towards you, two little white lights come on and the voltage will change and display the voltage of the backup battery. So that's when we switch the batteries. So if we can switch to backup battery whilst we're using the boat with no problem whatsoever. That's the RT4 and the basic functions.